Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so somebody was asking me about my interview experience so far, like before I got into University of Hyderabad Comparative Literature Department, how many interviews did I have and how did it go, what was the whole experience. So मैं बताऊँ तो like before coming here I had 4 interviews और चारों में मैं select नहीं हुई. And after that I didn't give any interview because I thought that it's the best. It's nice. I'm having fun here. शायद. Okay, yeah. So सबसे पहला इंटरव्यू था IIT रुड़की का. वो चला 3 से 4 मिनट का इंटरव्यू था. It was mere formality. I'll tell you it was mere formality. IIT Mandi. So first one was IIT Mandi. Second was IIT Roorkee. IIT Mandi में it was an online interview. IIT Roorkee was an offline interview. So people were there and they were making like they were chill only. They were like laughing together and it lasted for 5 minutes. But it was my worst interview because it was my first and I didn't know it was not very clear with my topic. But after the first interview I got a bit clarity because they also recommend you something, suggest you something on, or maybe the questions that they ask reflect a certain idea and that you are able to work on it. The third interview was in JNU where I did my master's. So it went for 8 to 9 minutes. Different people, like I asked few people and they also like it was average 8 to 9 minutes for all. Some had 15 minutes interview. So that was there and it was nice. Professors are nice. They'll give you time. They'll ask you questions. They will be sort of interested in you. They will not demoralize you in any way. Okay? So that was there. And the next one was in DU. So DU का interview lasted around 5 to 7 minutes. Yeah, 5 to 7 minutes. और वो लोग भी question पूछते. It was nice. But वही है ना कि आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि आपको select करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. See, most of the times it's like जिन्होंने बात की है, अगर जिस institution में आप हो वहाँ ज़्यादा chances होता है कि आपका हो जाए because you can contact your professor. But people like me who are very shy to talk to professors because you feel that you are incapable and you will talk to professors in JNU or professors who know so well, you feel a bit underconfident to talk to. So that is there. But yeah, I would suggest that 6 महीने पहले अगर जिस इंस्टीट्यूशन में आप हो और वही आपको PhD करनी, कोई प्रोफेसर है जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, आपको माने कि मुझे इनके अंडर ही करनी है, talk to them 6 महीने पहले 7 महीने पहले. talk to them कि सर आई हैव दिस आइडिया, आई वांट टू वर्क अंडर यू, ये सब करके सबको बाकी. और जब भी आप इंटरव्यू देने चीज़ ये करना इंटरव्यू के लिए कि जब भी आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जा रहे हो तो वहाँ के प्रोफेसर्स का पता कर लो. चेक देयर प्रोफाइल, चेक देयर research interests and all, and believe me, you can get in any university. Like does not depend कि आपका previous bachelor's master's कहाँ से है. बहुत सारे लोगों का DU हो जाता है जो लोग बहुत छोटी सी स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी से आए, और प्लस स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी से करो या सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी से करो, बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं कर रही क्योंकि सीट्स बहुत लिमिटेड है ना. तो आपको अगर कहीं सीट मिल जाए तो कर लो यार. बट हाँ, मतलब इफ़ यू वांट टू डू ऑफ कोर्स देन, और अगर करनी है तो हमेशा यही एम रहता है कि अच्छी जगह से करें, राइट. लेकिन बहुत लोग का ये है कि नहीं, उनको इतना सीरियसली करना नहीं है, सो दे वांट इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. सो दैट इज़ देयर. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू प्रोफाइल ऑफ प्रोफेसर्स, मे बी ईमेल देम बिफोर हैंड. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि इंटरव्यू के कुछ दिन पहले ही करो, बट ईमेल देम, इट हेल्प्स. इफ दे रिप्लाई, इफ दे डोंट, it's fine. They don't look for a university, look for a professor. Okay, look for a professor who has your research interest, the research interest which matches with you, like his or her research interest matches with you. Look for a professor, don't go for institution इतना ज़्यादा. मतलब कहीं भी कहीं सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी में भी भाई प्रोफेसर डजंट केयर. ओके, many of the professors are that they don't care, and especially being a woman, you should be safe enough that you land with a supervisor who is good, it would be best if it's a female supervisor, right? So that is there. We women have extra consciousness on that कि